Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for ya. Top. What is going on, everybody? Hey, listen, man. It's early in the morning right now. You see me, do-rag gang. Anytime you see me with the do-rag vibes, bro, it gotta be early. I'm just not walking around here with a do-rag like I'm 50 Cent. You know what I'm saying? It's different vibes over here. But anyways, you saw the title. I'm not wasting no time, bro. That's some dog. Not wasting no time. You seen the title. I pay resale for this shoe. Y'all know, bro. Y'all know I don't pay resale for nothing, anything, not one damn thing. That's on me, bro. I'm not paying resale for But something came over me. I really wanted this sneaker, and I paid resale for it. So if you one of my day ones, bro, if you one of my day one subs, I know you clicked this video as soon as you seen the title. If you clicked this video as soon as you seen the title and was like, wait, Snipe pay resale? I'm gonna need you to smash that like button. Already know I don't pay resale for anything. My motto, my slogan is, bro, I'm not paying resale. Today is gonna be a little bit all over the place. I just came back with Nat out there with Big Holla, and now I'm about to go pick up these sneakers, bring them back, and show you guys what they are. But I gotta stop and hit the gym first. It's a lot of in between, so I'm just actually very time. I'm trying to work on my time management to get this video out today because I got so much to do today in so little time. I plan on just waking up even earlier, like around like 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock, and I stayed up till like 4 o'clock in the morning last night. So I mean, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna hold you. But anyways, man, y'all know the vibes, man. 100K on the way, man. Your boy Snipe Jones. If you're new to this channel, I need you to smash the subscribe button because the goal is 100K, you know what I'm saying? And we literally this close to the halfway mark, so every contribution helps the cause, you know what I'm saying? Also, what I want y'all to do, because a lot of people like try to finesse it at the end anyway, but I just like doing this anyway. Let me know what you think the sneaker is gonna be down below in the comment section, because hey, I mean, you know, a lot of y'all probably might know what it is, and probably a lot of y'all might not know what it is, but regardless, and there's nothing wrong with resellers, bro. I'm gonna just get this off my chest. There's nothing wrong with resellers at all. I have no problem with people going out there and make their money. I ain't gonna hold you. It's 2020, bro. If you still got problem with resale, then you just in the wrong business. Me, personally, I just don't like paying that extra bread. It's just a problem for me to pay that extra bread. If you got that bread, bro, go ahead and spend it. Like me, I got the money to spend it, bro, but it's not about that. It's just like, man, it just hurts me to let that much bread go on a shoe. Because even though I love shoes, bro, I'm still like a wise spender, bro. I don't just go out here and spend X amount on a pair of shoes. I think I might hit the gym first, and then I'm going to pick this camera up later. Yeah, because I got to hit the gym. You know what I'm saying? I'm weak. I'm out of here. Let's go. All right, so right now I'm in a Walmart parking lot, and I just gotta say, like, this is just random. I just picked up the camera, but today I found a buggy at Walmart. It didn't squeak. I ain't had like one of them little cockeyed wheels on it that just be flittering and flipping around everywhere. I don't think y'all understand like how hard that is. Out of my X amount of years of going to Walmart, in the history of going to Walmart, I've never got a good buggy. So if you ever got a good buggy at Walmart, bro, I know you know how that feel, bro. It's like being selected first overall, especially here in Atlanta. And oh, don't even get me started back home in Cleveland, bro. Back home in Cleveland, you might have a buggy missing 2 wheels. Yeah, so when you drive it, you gotta kind of like lift it up, like you hitting it like one of them little endos or whatever you call them. Now people come with them bikes and then they just go up on their front wheel like that. That's how you gotta push a lot of buggies, man. You gotta push them like a wheelbarrow. That's what it's called. A lot of shopping carts, you got a wheelbarrow. I'm on my way to UPS to pick up this pair of sneakers, and it's raining out here, bro. And on top of it's raining, it's cold. Allergies messing with me. It's a lot of stuff going on today, but that's not gonna prevent us from going out here doing what we gotta do. It's like doomsday out here, bro. Y'all see like the gloomy darkness, bro? Definitely look like doomsday. Hoodie is soaking wet. We got one objective, the reason why we out here. We got one reason why we out here. Appreciate it, bro.
Ain't no problem.
Have a good day, man.
Like I said, man, check it out.
Yeah.
The way he been able to see me well, too.
Woo, yeah. Look, man, I know a lot of y'all be talking about, hey, man, Snipe, that's filet. Listen, bro, I've been doing that. That's so dope. All right, guys, so we back at the house, and finally all the errands are complete. Hold on, I gotta sneeze. I feel it coming. All right, it went away. Never mind. Yeah, like I was saying, man, we finally back at the crib, guys. I do have the package in hand. I'm not even gonna waste no time. Let's get straight into it. Huge shout out to the person who sent me over this package, man. The homie Chase. Really appreciate it. Man, you the go, bro. You the go. I'm gonna open this up. And like I said, bro, I've been wanting these for a very long time. And it got to the point where I finally realized sometimes in life you gotta pay the resale. But he did show love, though. The love he showed was amazing. Know that too, bro. So shout out to you, man. I really appreciate it. When y'all see the box, y'all already gonna know the vibes. Y'all already gonna know the vibes. Ah, you know the vibes, man. This shiny box this very, very, very shiny box in a size 12, man. Words can't explain, okay, how much I've been talking about this pair of shoes, bro. Rarely I get excited for shoes. Like when you collecting sneakers and you do videos about shoes every single day, don't get me wrong, the love will always be there. But you also have to understand it's a lot of trash that comes out, okay? It's a lot of trash that comes out, a lot of okays. Rarely do you find that shoe that you get up for, that you're excited for, that you have to get no matter what. And this was one of them. This is one of the sneakers I had to get no matter what. And I'm about to cry, dog. Man, look at that. The off-white SB pine green, man. Definitely one of my favorite colorways out of the pack, okay? I've been talking to you guys about this shoe for a very long time. I've been saying if anybody has this, let me know. And I'm just thankful to finally have it. I did pay resale for this shoe. Not even gonna hold you, man. I definitely did pay resale. I'm thankful, bro. I'm so thankful. Now, this is one of my favorite pairs. I really do like that Michigan colorway. So I'm probably gonna pick up that Michigan colorway a little bit later. The red one, I'm not really too much of a fan of. As long as I can just have this colorway and the Michigan colorway, I'll be perfectly fine. And trust me, I know it's a little late for a review, but I did want to just go over a few of the aesthetics and some things that I liked about this shoe. Right off the bat, what I liked about it most was like the box. I tell you guys, man, I'm a box junkie. I really like boxes. You see like this shiny Nike box just really look dope. It got the holes in it the same way that the Air Jordan Off-White 5 does. And I mean, I really like it. SB always comes with like some type of creative way to do special releases, whether it be like the concept joints or however they decide to release them. I just like the way they do the packaging on them. Now when it comes to the actual shoe, green is my favorite color. A lot of people don't know that. Green is my favorite color, so the pine green definitely speaks for itself. But what I like about it most is how they have the overlapping laces, the red overlapping laces on the lace system. It's just different. It is tough, man. It definitely creates a lot of contrast. Whenever you see a shoe like this, it's automatically gonna bring attention, but it's still subtle at the same time. Of course, as always, you get the off-white zip tie hanging off the side. And unlike normal releases where the off-white zip tie might be like some amazing, wild, bright color, whether it be a red, whether it be like a light blue, or even a black, that's more relaxed. The black one is on the off-white Jordan 5. This one is like a cream color. Actually, it's like an off-white itself. And we all know with this zip tie, man, the zip tie comes with a lot of clout for whatever reason, man. The off-white is definitely one of the most, I would say, sought after sneakers in the sneaker game. But the zip tie, it just adds a little bit of hype to it, as we all know and love. Another huge thing I love is the leather quality. The leather quality on this is so good, man. It reminds me of like one of those great pair of Air Jordan 1s, the toe box, man. I wish if you have a pair of these, or if you know somebody with a pair of these, just ask them about the leather quality on these, man. It's amazing. It's top tier, especially on this toe box, bro. It's soft, bro. It's so, listen, it's so plush, it don't make no sense. Now, as you guys know, in the last 4 or 5 videos, I've been literally asking anybody who had a pair of these in 11.5, 12 to hit my line. And a lot of people did, but he gave me the best price, bro. And he showed a lot of love, man. So Chase, thank you, bro. I appreciate it. I know you're probably watching this. I know you watch the videos. I am super, super, super thankful, my guy. Yes, you know, DS size 12, he hit me up, told me he had them, and he really had no intentions on wearing them, so he sent them to me, and like I said, bro, I'm so, so thankful. Y'all know that I like SBs. I do a lot of videos on SBs, whether it be like the regular general releases, or even if it's like more upscale joints like Purple Lobster. I was not able to get the Travis Scott dunks. I talked about those like in my last video. They made it to the point where I didn't even want to get them. You know what I'm saying? So it became less of me, like, actually, I didn't even try. I just felt like the way you went about that was so trash. Like, I didn't even want to be a part of it. But anyway, that's a whole nother story, man. This is fire. In the comments down below, what I want you to do is comment, what is your favorite colorway of this release? Because, like I said, this release came out with the Michigan colorway. It came out with that black, white, and gray. And then it came out with this obvious pine green colorway. I missed out on release day because sneakers has not been showing your boy love whatsoever. Not in the slightest, man. I had to have these. I'm so definitely happy they had these. Y'all already know, man, I'm gonna throw some pics up on the gram probably sooner or later with these on, because I mean, like I said, I love them and they fire. By the way, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I need you to go to Instagram right now. It's linked down below, and go ahead and follow your boy, bro. I got some lit pics over there. Also, man, I'll be doing a lot of giveaways or just like a lot of updates and news about what's happening with the channel and things like that. Your boy finally paid resale for a shoe, bro. I went a long time, bro. I went a very long time. In this whole entire collection, I have 2 pairs of shoes I paid resale for. One was the Galaxy Foam Posits. Flame Unbreakable kicks he made me. But this one was all my idea, bro. This one was all me. I paid resale for a shoe. Something that I never thought I would do, man. You know what I'm saying? Paying resale is like a kryptonite of mine. If I miss out on the shoe, I mean, it is what it is, bro. I just try to catch it in a later life. Or I just kiss it goodbye forever. But regardless, I've always been against me personally paying that resale price. But hey, look, man, your boy definitely paid it, and I'm a happy customer. You know? I'm a happy camper for sure. Once again, man, huge shout out to the homie Chase, guys. This is the new pickup. What are your thoughts down below? I mean, I know a lot of y'all don't like SBs, so I'm not really expecting everybody to go crazy. I'm pretty sure if this is like an off-white Air Jordan 5, a lot of y'all feel a lot better about it. But at the end of the day, man, rock what you like, cop what you like. It's all good. But that's just about it for today's video, man. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button. We're trying to hit 100K before the end of the year. Until next time, it is your boy Sniper Jones. I just paid resale for a pair of shoes, which is crazy. No, I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really put in that work, though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.